It is with immense pride and joy that I stand before you today to celebrate the achievements of our outstanding students who have demonstrated excellence in their academic journey. This event is not just about recognizing high grades. It is about honoring dedication, perseverance, and the unwavering commitment to learning. To our dear students, congratulations. Making it to the Dean's List is no small feat. It is the result of countless hours of studying, balancing multiple responsibilities, and pushing yourselves beyond your limits. Your success today is a testament to your discipline, hard work, and passion for knowledge. But behind every successful student are the people who offer support, encouragement, and guidance. To the parents and guardians present here today, this achievement is also yours. Your unwavering belief in your children, your sacrifices, and your constant support have played a crucial role in their journey. As we celebrate this milestone, I encourage each of you to continue striving for greatness. This recognition should not be seen as a peak of your success, but as a stepping stone to even greater accomplishment. Once again, congratulations to our Dean's List awardees. May this award fuel your passion for learning and your drive to make a positive impact on society. The future is bright, and I have no doubt that you will continue to make us proud. Thank you, Laos Deus Semper.
With no grade lower than 2 in all academic subjects. That is, excluding physical education and the National Service Training Program. All academic units registered in the preceding semester are included in the computation of the weighted average. The student must carry the number of units prescribed by the curriculum, including the required PP and NSAP subjects. To our dearest parents and guardians, kindly accompany your sons and daughters as they line up and proceed to the stage. We shall start with awardees from the School of Computing. Their certificates.
Josh Daniel Duran. Justin Montoya. J.P. Mercado. Justin Lee Mercado. Hugo Molina. Darren Isaiah Miranda.